In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to edit a long content cell easily with Kutools for Excel. Click the Kutools tab. In the View group, click the Show and Hide drop-down list and select Enhanced Edit Bar. And from now on, when selecting a cell, a window will pop up to display the whole content of it, as you can see. And directly editing the content in the window will simultaneously take effect to the cell, as you can see. And if you want to turn off this feature, click the Kutools tab. In the View group, click the Show and Hide drop-down list and click the Enhanced Edit Bar. It will turn off the feature. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.